Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man, and I'm coming to you with another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays, and feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's Den on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Blue Sky. Links as always will be in the description below. So today I am trying the regular version of Skittles Pop. Now, some of you may remember that I previously tried the sour variety thanks to my good friend Bob. So I finally tracked down the regular one and I'm going to give these a try. I did like the taste of them. The consistency is a little odd, but not insurmountable. Let's see how these are, though. These are the original flavors, flavored after the normal Skittles, which I believe also just means that they've just freeze-dried the regular ones, because that's what these are. These are freeze-dried Skittles that have exploded from the freeze-dry process. We have strawberry, lemon, lime, orange, and grape in here. So, got a grape one first. Very flavorful. Alright, now a lime. They're good, but little on the dry side. Not bad, though. Definitely something you're going to want to drink with. Alright, we got lemon next. Now we're getting into the two flavors I was more interested in. First, orange. Not bad. And now strawberry. How good will this be? Okay. Verdict is, for a full bag of original flavors, I probably wouldn't bother buying these again because they are kind of pricey. If they did an entire bag of just the strawberries, or if they did a wild berry variety like this, I think I would be all over them. The strawberries are definitely the best flavor in here. Honestly, I think these actually accentuate the flavor, because of the freeze-dried process, obviously, they're larger than an average Skittle. But so it gives you a lot more flavor and surface area. Very good, though. I really do hope that they eventually do either a wild berry or even a tropical Skittles like that. I picked my bag of that up at Target, but I also have seen them in Walmart. So if you are interested, definitely track down a bag. And once again, thank you, Bob, for alerting me to these existence and helping me with getting at least the first bag, the sour flavor. But I hope everyone enjoyed this taste test. That's going to do it for this one. Till next time, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I am signing off. Peace, everybody.